So you just have created a listing on Etsy, Amazon, or other marketplaces regarding your print-on-demand business. You have created a design on t-shirt, on mug, on poster, or any other product, and you are expecting to make hundreds and thousands of dollars per month from it. You are misguided. This market is very saturated. Let me explain to you more in details. Although marketplaces have thousands of customers and there are millions of buyers who are looking to buy those products, but you have to create something very specific to target your audience. For example, if I search for t-shirts on those marketplaces, you can see there are plenty of products which are appearing. But when I am going to search for t-shirt for any specific keyword, you can see the number of searches appearing for t-shirts is more higher. And when I search for any specific keyword, the number of searches reduces. And if you are going to target that specific audience, then you can make any sales. Then you can appear your listing on the top of search results. Now, recently, in past few months, one of my Amazon account got suspended, and marketplaces are unpredictable. You are not aware when your account is going to suspend. You are not aware when marketplaces is going to hold your payments. So relying on those marketplaces to create your design, to make sales, to make your living, it's very hard. Instead, what I would recommend is to create your own store on Shopify. The first print-on-demand business you can launch through Shopify is event printing. Now, what does that mean? There are plenty of events which are occurring on different places. And if you are going to target that specific events, you can create your own store, you can create the design related to that event, and then you can target those customers. And even you can collaborate with the organizer, and they can put your design on other event booking website or their own website. And you can use Shopify to launch your own event printing business. You can launch specific t-shirts related to that event, and then you can create design using the Canva. Now, event printing and event blogging is most popular. If you are going to create designs related to any specific event, and then you can run paid ads in that specific area to generate sales. For example, you can run Facebook ads, you can run Instagram ads. Now, running ads is the most expensive part. You will have to pay more to create ads. But if you can create content related to those events, you can make sales through organic content on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook. But for the event, you have to make sure your content is shown in those places. Even you can get pre-orders for the event. Let's say event is going to start after a month. You can start getting pre-orders before a month through your Shopify store. Second print-on-demand business which you can do is wholesale printing. There are plenty of companies who are looking to buy products for their staff. You can simply get the order from those companies and you can print those t-shirts or design, or even you can create a custom order for them. For example, putting the logo of company on t-shirt, mug, or any other product. And most of the companies may be looking to buy t-shirts for their support event or any other event that is coming in future, and they can pay you in advance. Now, the most crucial part is the marketing. And when it's come to marketing, there are two parts of that business. First one is paid marketing and other one is organic marketing. For paid marketing, you can use Instagram, Facebook, or Google Ads. And for organic marketing, you have to create content. You have to make the viral videos of your products and put them on social media. So for organic marketing, if you are the one who is going to create content, or if you are already creating organic content for your business, the company which I have been using is ecommerce. These guys are very professional and I have been working with them from very long time. You can create image ad and you can create video ads and you can put them on your social media. So this type of content is very popular nowadays because it shows the reviews and actual use of your product to your customers. And you can see a lot of sellers are already creating these type of videos and these are gaining millions of views. So here are the videos they have already created for their customers. You can simply send them creatives and they will send back to you within 24 to 48 hours for approval. And if you are not happy with the creative, they will recreate it for you or you can get a full refund. There are a lot of sellers and creators who are already using them from past couple of years. And I am going to mention the link and discount code in description. Make sure to check them out. Now, if you are going to run paid ad for your business, your cost per purchase will be higher, because these are the platforms are getting expensive day by day. And instead you can spend this budget on organic content because this type of content will be listed on your page for forever. So creating organic content for your business is highly recommended rather than paid ads. And if you are going to paid ad section, you can use influencer marketing, because through influencer marketing you will get good results and your cost per purchase will be lower, because these type of influencers has already millions of followers and they can simply recommend the product to their followers, to their customers, and they will be able to make a purchase through your website. You simply have to pay those influencers a specific amount, and even you can pay them a specific commission on each purchase. You can provide them with a unique link. They can simply share that link with their audience, and once anyone is going to make a purchase through that link, they will be able to get the commission. And that commission can be 10 to 15 to 20%. Now, the third part is Shopify versus marketplace like Etsy or Amazon, which is the best model. I would recommend to start with Shopify because marketplaces are not easy to start. Marketplaces can suspend your account, can hold your payments, and can block you from selling. But on the other way, if you are using Shopify to accept payments, if one payment processor is blocking you from accepting payments, there are still other options to accept payments. And you will get the full control of your brand and full control of your website. There will be less competition because on your own website you have listed your own products. There are no other sellers. Now the hardest part is the marketplaces have already thousands of customers who are looking to buy those products. And if you create your own design, you will have to market your store to generate sales. Now, these are the two crucial things for both of these businesses. For marketplaces, you have to learn the SEO because your products will appear on search results and then you will make any sales. But for Shopify, you have to learn the marketing. You have to learn how you can drive traffic to your Shopify store to generate sales. You will get your brand established. You will have your own logo, you will have your own company name, and you will get all the branded design, all the branded website, all the branded social media. And any customer who is going to purchase from you, you will get their email address and you can target them later on through email marketing as well. You simply have to sign up for Shopify and then you have to design your own store. If you are not aware how you can design your own store, I have already created a video. You can check the link in description. And once your store is designed, then you can connect different printing companies by going into app section. Now these companies will take the responsibility of shipping your orders to your customers automatically once you get the order. You simply have to create the design and you can create those designs using Canva. Canva is a free tool which has millions of designs and templates available to use. And as I told you earlier, you can use them as a event printing or for wholesale printing for different companies. Even you can create your own website design, logo design on Canva as well. And once your website design is finalized and you have connected different printing companies, the last step is to attach payment processor, payment gateways by going into payment section. You can attach Shopify payments, you can attach PayPal, you can attach Afterpay, Stripe, and there are plenty of other companies available which you can sign up and then you can attach the payment processor. But on the other hand, you can also list those products on marketplaces as well by connecting the different marketplaces by going into app section. You can connect your eBay store, Amazon, Etsy, or other stores through Shopify. So you can start from Shopify and this will benefit you in long terms because you will establish your own brand. You will establish your own customer database. And these are the customers which will remain attached to you for a long period of time. And your returning customer rate will be higher because these are the customers will be making purchases after some time. Last part is hiring virtual assistants to manage your business. First, you will have to learn all the things by yourself. You will have to check how this actually works. Then after some time, when you are generating some sales, you can hire VAs to manage your business because VAs most of the time they are not professionals. They are just learning the things by themselves. And if you are going to hire experienced VAs, they will cost you more. And you will have to earn a specific level of income to get those VAs. But if you are making some money and you are able to hire some VAs, you can hire them from Fiverr, Upwork, or through Freelancer. They can manage the orders, they can manage the customer service, they can even add products, and they can even create designs. But first make sure you are aware of the actual business, how this business model actually works, and which are the key parts you need their help. And you can even hire them for $5 to $10 per hour, and you can even get their help when needed. And even you can scale your business by ordering some equipment. For example, if you are selling the stickers, you can use your own sticker printing machine. It's easy to use and you can get that through Amazon or other websites. Now in that way you will get rid from different printing companies you are already using and your cost of product will be lower. So that's all for today, and these are the two print on demand businesses which you can keep your focus on, and they will make you plenty of sales if you are going to market them properly. And you can get rid of other marketplaces and you can get rid of selling t-shirts, mugs or other design, because print on demand business is going to get highly saturated and you will hardly make any sales if you are not implementing the right strategies. If you have any questions, make sure to mention them in comment section. Please like the video and subscribe the channel to get it boosted in algorithm. And in the same time, make sure to check other videos related to print on demand and detailed products. I will be back soon.